OnePlus 10 Pro versus the iQOO 9 Pro. So first of all, these two models comes with a immaculate displays, 6.78 inches of Quad HD plus resolution displays. This iQOO 9 Pro also comes with a 2K plus resolution display, and these two mobiles comes with a LTPO2 panels which can shift from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. By the way, these two mobiles runs on 120 Hz refresh rate display. And when we talk about the protection, this OnePlus 10 Pro mobile comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection, where this iQOO 9 Pro comes with a Panda Glass protection. Yeah, Panda Glass. And when we talk about the processor, yeah, these two mobiles comes with the same processor, that is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which is a 4nm based octa-core gaming processor. But the major difference is in the 5G bands. This OnePlus 10 Pro mobile comes with just 9 bands of 5G, with this iQOO 9 Pro mobile comes with almost up to 15 bands of 5G. I will leave the bands in the description box down below, you can check it from there. And by the way, these two mobiles comes in different variants. I'll talk about them in later. First of all, we'll take a look at the camera section. Yes, these two mobiles comes with a triple camera server at the back side. This OnePlus 10 Pro mobiles comes with triple cameras at the rear side, back side. One is 50 megapixels of main wide angle, 48 megapixels of secondary ultra wide, and a 16 and a 8 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera, which can be also used as a macro camera. This iQOO 9 Pro mobile also comes with a humongous cameras at the back side, which are 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with the GN9 sensor Samsung's, and it is a optical image stabilization, gimbal stabilization camera. Yes, not just optical image stabilization, but also it has a gimbal stabilization. And one more 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and also one more 16 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera, which can also be used as a macro camera, obviously. And by the way, these two mobiles comes with the different front facing selfie cameras. And this OnePlus 10 Pro mobile comes with a 30 megapixels of front facing selfie camera wide angle lens, and this iQOO 9 Pro mobile comes with just 16 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. It's also a wide angle camera, and we can shoot up to 8K 30 fps with these mobiles back cameras. And when we talk about the battery section, yeah, this is a section where we have to take a deep look. First of all, this OnePlus 10 Pro mobile comes with a 5000 milliamp hours of a huge battery, but it supports 80 watts of fast charge through wire, and 50 watts of wireless charge, and 10 watts of reverse wireless charge. Where this iQOO 9 Pro mobile comes with a 4700 milliamp hours of a slightly smaller battery, but it supports 120 watts of fast wide charge, 50 watts of same wireless charge, and 10 watts of reverse wireless charge. But when we compare the charging speeds, this mobile charging speed might vary between 7 to 8 minutes, but this mobile has a smaller cell and higher capacity of charging speed. It can charge faster than this mobile, but the backup is this mobile according to the size we see. And when we talk about the other things like storage capacities, yes, this OnePlus 10 Pro mobile comes with 8GB RAM 128 and 8GB RAM 256 and 12GB RAM 256 and 12GB RAM 512GB 4 variants with no expanded memory. By the way, those are UFS 3.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM types. This iQOO 9 Pro mobile comes with the 8GB RAM 256, no 128, and 12GB RAM 256 and 12GB RAM 512GB internal storage variants with also same no expanded memory, UFS 3.1 storage capacities, and LPDDR5X RAM types. One additional feature for this mobile is that it comes with this IP68 water and dust resistant feature, which this mobile doesn't have. And these two mobiles comes with the same features like these two mobiles comes with the Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 features, which are the top of the line features. And by the way, these two mobiles also come with the same ultrasonic fingerprint scanner Gen 2, but this iQOO 9 Pro mobile comes with a larger covered area of this fingerprint scanner. So yeah, and these two mobiles doesn't comes with any 3.5mm jacks. By the way, if we talk about the build quality, these two mobiles comes with a metal and glass build, front and back glass, and sides are metal. And these two mobiles comes with a TPU case and a. When we talk about the operating systems, yeah, this OnePlus 10 Pro mobile runs on Android version 12 out of the box with Oxygen OS latest version 12. This iQOO 9 Pro mobile also comes with Android version 12 out of the box with FunTouch OS 12. And when we talk about the box contents, yeah, this OnePlus 10 Pro mobile comes with a cable and a charger and a colored case. That's all. This iQOO 9 Pro mobile comes with 120 watts of fast charger and a cable and a Also a TPU case included in the box with this mobile. So when we talk about the pricing capacities, pricing differences, this iQOO 9 Pro mobile starts from 64,999, almost 65,000 rupees. This OnePlus 10 Pro mobile comes with the starts from 67, almost 68,000 rupees. So there is a just 2,000 rupees of price difference. But if you ask me, more value for money, which mobile do I choose is iQOO 9 Pro, obviously, because personally I like iQOO mobile because I'm using iQOO 3, so I want to switch for the next generation of iQOO 3. But if you want a mobile with a bigger battery and top of the line features with water resistance, you can choose this one iQOO OnePlus 10 Pro. Majorly there is not complaints between these two mobiles. According to your inside feeling, you can choose any of the mobile, but only if the money doesn't matter to you. So that's it for the video. By the way, these two mobiles are available in different colors. I will leave those colors in the description box down below with a buying link, so you can go there and buy it from there directly. So subscribe to the channel and hit that subscribe button and like.